December 27th. We're heading into Mill Bay. Max is going to take us in. We're going to slip C5. There's supposed to be a windstorm coming tonight with winds up to 70 kilometers to 90. So we're going to run in here and hide for the night. And you know, obviously it's Mill Bay, so there's a restaurant bar on the dock. There's a grocery store close by, laundry, a few other things, and some bike trails, so maybe we'll hit those up.
Second chances, and when you're done, we'll still be as one.